Good morning, everyone. This is your pre-market stocks to watch. Today is April the 22nd, and I am your host, James Mason, and let's talk about the market. So, let's hit these Dow futures first. We are currently pre-market right before the bell, up 260 some points. It's going to vary. And as I zoom in here, we can see that our 5-minute candlesticks are above that middle Bollinger Band line. And we're sitting pretty well for a decent bullish run today. Notable ranges to keep in mind. The next resistance for the Dow futures will be 23,281 with an overall support at 23,071. We do have a few supports through here with different EMA lines, but those are just overall ranges. So I have two tickers that I will be watching today, and let's go ahead and knock them out. The first one, while filtering on the TT Blackbox, this is the Why Is It Moving Catalyst feature. Ticker DGX, Quest Diagnostics. So it says their shares are trading higher after the company reported better than expected Q1 EPS and sales results. So we'll pull them up on the chart. We can see right here their earnings, their conference call, and back out just a bit. So what I would look for here is to see how this conference call plays out overall. With this gap up and with the direction of the market, this could result in a pretty nice play. Right now, we're currently sitting around in that that $97 range. How I would play this one, again, we have this conference call going on right now. As the bell gets closer, I would see if this is trending down or trending up. If this is trending down, I would see how it performs on this 100 EMA, where it's roughly going to be in that lower $95 range. If it gets in there and starts forming that support on that 100 EMA line, I would consider going long, just as long, no pun intended there, but just as long as the MACD is rolling over green. Overall range, if that setup occurs, $99. Now, if this thing is going bullish right before the bell, obviously we want to make sure that it's above this middle Bollinger Band line and above this VWAP line. So if it comes out with that setup right there, it breaks past this $99 range. Our next area that we would want to look for would be right here overall around this 104 range. So this is ticker DGX. Now, based off of the actual black box system here, the algorithms, yesterday ticker JPM alerted as a bullish swing trade. So pulling JPM up on the charts here, we can see we have a tiny little gap up, nothing major at this moment. But just as long as the market keeps up with this bullish push, I see JPM having the potential to make a decent run, with its first resistance really being around that $90.80 range. And then after that, $91.20, followed by $91.90. If it would go extremely parabolic, overall, 94.24. So just keep that in mind. JPM will be one that I will be looking for on the day trading section of the algorithms. If those bullish 5-minute movers start hitting, I'll be scaling in long. So that wraps it up for today. Again, I appreciate y'all taking your time to watch this pre-market stocks to watch. And hey, trade safe. Keep them position sizes small because this market is still volatile. So appreciate y'all. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one.